MrMaD up in this bitch, coming at you, pre-recorded, or am I live? No, I'm pre-recorded. Pre-recorded, that motherfucker, not live. So today, TheFlow has dropped his brand new PS Vita hack. So today, I'm gonna do the PS Vita hack tutorial for firmwares 3.65 all the way to the most current 3.68. So if you're like me, you have a bunch of Vitas. One of them is eventually going to be on some firmware that's kind of unhackable until today. As you can see, I'm on system software 3.65. Luckily for me, that's the highest I got. 3.67, 3.68. You cannot install the HENkaku Enzo, but you can still do the hack, and it's not that big of a deal. First things first, if you got a OLED model like myself here, you're gonna need to have a memory card. That's a requirement. You need a memory card for this. You don't need it for the PS Slim, the Vita Slim, or the PS TV. So just go ahead and insert the memory card, a memory card, in your system. It's going to tell you to use the memory card, you must restart this system. Unsaved progress and an application will be lost. You want to restart now. And basically, if you want, turn it off, put the memory card in, start it back up. I'm just going to restart. If you put a memory card in and you got some weird account that's not yours, even if it is yours, you may want to use a fresh memory card anyways, because you're going to use a dummy account. Because I wouldn't use my actual PS Network account. So create a fake account so you can use it with this card. So I'm gonna hit no, and then I'm just gonna format. I don't know who the hell D-Money is, but it's not me. So it says all data on the memory card will be deleted. You sure you want to continue? Absolutely. So I want a fresh memory card, and I want to sign in with my newly created PlayStation Network account, because you're gonna need it. It is required for this hack. You do need to have a legitimate account. But like I said, I created a fake account. That way I don't have to use my personal account for this, in case there are any bans or anything like that. On to the next step here. Now you're going to download some links. So I'm going to provide some links down below. However, I'll show you the links on here as well. This is the GitHub I got the H-Encore hack from. They provide you the links on here. You're going to want to download QCMA. So once you get on the page, you're going to go down here, go to Windows Installer. For this tutorial, I don't have Mac OS or nothing right now that I could do this on, so this is a PC, I'm doing it on here. Just download that, store it to the side. Then you're going to go to the PSV Image Tools. Once you're on this page, you're going to want to go to One Release, and then you're going to want to go to PSV Image Tools Win64, save the link. I've already downloaded these, so you don't got to wait for me to download them. Next one, package to zip, same thing. Go to releases, pick 64, 32-bit. I got a 64-bit computer, so go ahead and download that. Once you've got them all downloaded, you're just gonna wanna make sure you extract all the files to the same folder. Forgot to mention, when you're on the official Flow's GitHub for the H-Encore, you're gonna want to download the DRM free demo of Bitter Smile. You just click that, save it, and it'll be this file here with a long ass name. It's a package file. You're gonna need that because that's part of the exploit. Go ahead and download that. We'll see you back over here. Once you have all your files downloaded and extracted, you're gonna want to install the QCMA setup. Go ahead and launch that, hit yes, and wait for it to do its thing. Once it's installed, just hit finish. Alright, now that that's done, we're gonna take the Bitter Smile demo that we just downloaded. Go to your package to zip folder. You could either move it, copy it, but I'm going to rename this so it's nice and easy to Bitter Smile, that package. So from here you can hit the Windows key and R, Windows R. It'll pop up this thing. If you don't have it here, just type CMD. This will open up a terminal window. You're going to want to get the path to the package to zip. So go to properties and just copy this whole path right here. Go back to your terminal window, close this out. You're gonna want to hit CD for change directory. Then you're gonna paste the directory here. That way we can use this package to zip executable. From here, you're gonna do pkg to zip -x. then the name bitter smile.pkg. It's going to extract the demo into the app folder, let it do its thing, and once it's successful, it's going to show you that it's done. You can close out of here and you can see that the app got extracted here. This is all the files from the demo. Once you have those files, you're going to want to copy them all. Go back to your H-Encore folder, go to app, and you're going to want to paste them right here. Once you're done with that, go back to the app folder, open it up. You're going to want to go to SCE_sys. I'm going to go to package, and where you see temp bin, you can go ahead and copy that. Go back to the H-Encore folder, go to license, open this up. You can paste it here. So you're going to want to rename it to 6488B753A492E2714E9B38BC7, and instead of bin, you're going to want to name it .rif, R-I-F. Hit yes. And now we can jump into the QCMA. If you haven't launched it on the install, I have a shortcut right here, but you can find it in the program files, the QCMA folder, and it'll just be qcma.exe. So go ahead and double click that. It'll launch the program. It'll say information added to the database. From here, we're gonna do a couple things with the Vita. First of all, you want to get it online. I've already logged in. You go to settings, start. You're gonna want to go to system. Make sure you turn off USB power supply. Hit back. Once you're logged in to your network, go to advanced settings. You're gonna want to change the DNS settings to manual, and then you're gonna put in this primary DNS so that if you are on 365, you don't have to update to sign into your PS network account. So I'm going to put 212.47.229.76. Hit OK. Hit back. Then go to PlayStation Network. You're going to hit sign up if you're not logged in already. Mine wasn't logged in. If you're logged in, you don't have to do this step. But this will bypass the system update, and you can log into your fake PS network account through here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in these credentials, and I'll see you in a second. Once you have everything typed in, hit next. It's going to tell you to wait, and it's going to say, thank you, new Vita Hacks 3.65, or whoever your name is. Welcome to the vast blah blah blah. Hit OK. Alright, it's going to greet you. You're going to hit sign in. Then you're going to hit OK to sign into the PlayStation Network. It says to sign in, you must set how widely to share your information. No one. Doesn't matter. You're not going to use this account for anything really other than this hack. Okay, now that you're signed in, you can go back, and from here you can launch Content Manager. You want to hit start, copy content. I guess you could have done it from the other screen. Hit cancel. Hit PC, and now you're gonna plug in your USB cable into your PC, and then you hit USB cable. It's gonna connect you to the QCMA. It should say something down here. Once you're here, you're gonna go to PC to PS Vita system. You're gonna want to select applications. Once you've selected your applications, your QCMA is going to generate a folder. So you want to go to settings, and you want to find out where the backups folder is located. For me, it's in documents. It'll be in PS Vita. Go ahead and go there. Documents, PS Vita. You're going to open app, and inside the folder, it's going to be a 16-digit number, and it's your account ID. Copy that into your clipboard, just like so. Once that's in your clipboard, you're going to want to open up a new browser page. Go to cma.henkaku.xyz. Under AID, you're going to want to paste your account number, the 16-digit number you just got from the app folder. You're going to hit submit, and it's going to generate a 64-character key. I've blanked out my key because every key is different. This is the original account ID information right here, and then this is the 64 character string here that you're gonna need to copy to your clipboard. So go ahead and do that. I'll wait. Alright, from here it's gonna get a little tricky. You're gonna want to go into your PSV image tools. Just go ahead and copy everything here. You want to put it inside your H-Encore folder. So now you have all the programs you need and all the extension files to run this program. You're gonna hit Windows R to open that terminal window. Type in CMD. It's already typed in for me. I just gotta hit OK. We're gonna change the directory to reflect this directory in here. So just hit Properties. Whatever your directory is, you're gonna want to copy that and change the directory here like we did last time and paste it in here. Hit Enter. So now that we're in here, we can use this PSV image create.exe. So for starters, that's what we're gonna type in because that's the app that we're gonna use. PSV img create, and you're gonna hit negative or -n app because we're pointing to this folder. Negative uppercase K. Then from here, you're gonna get your 64 character key and you're gonna paste it right here. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna obscure my key. All right, now that that's obscured, you're gonna want to type a space after that. Type in app. You're gonna want to type in this folder right here, PCSG. Make sure it's all caps. 90096 and / app. You can't see that part because it's obscured here, but it should say app. Just hit enter after you do that, and it'll start doing this nonsense here. Once that's completed, you could type in a whole nother command. You're gonna do this 4 times total. You can verify in the PCSG 90096 that the app folder got created. Go back to terminal. We're gonna do this again. This time, PSV image -create -n app meta negative uppercase K. Do the key again. Do app meta META uppercase PCSG 90096 / app meta APPMETA. Hit enter on that. You're good to go. And if you could see in here, it'll be in this folder now. And do this 2 more times now. So basically, you're gonna repeat this for app meta, license, and then save data. You're gonna do the same exact process, just different directories, different phrases. Let's go ahead and type the next one. PSV img -create -n. This time is license negative uppercase K. I'm gonna paste in my shit again. You know what it is. Alright, now that the key is there, license, make sure you spell that properly. Uppercase P CSG 90096 / license LICENSE. Hit enter on that and we're good to go. You don't have to verify this, but I'm just gonna show you that it made the license folder now. Okay. One last one. This is the final one. It's gonna be the save data, same exact thing. PSV image create -n save data -K. Go ahead and type the key in. After the key is put in, you're going to type in save data uppercase P CSG 90096 / save data. Hit enter on that, and that is the end of this command prompt bullshit. I didn't type it in properly the first time, but it's there now. So just verify if you want. You can see the save data is here. So we're all good with this terminal now. We can go ahead and close that shit out, as long as we got all our folders here. So if you were to look inside the folders, it should say app.psvimage, psvmd, and that should be the same for all the folders you just created. App meta, it should be the same as the folder that it contains. The license, the next one's going to be save data. So if you got all that, you should be good to go. Real quick, you're going to want to make a backup of this folder just to have a backup of it. I'm going to go ahead and paste one here because this is all your information. And I'll just put backup. That's all your credentials. Now from there, we're going to want to put that into the QCMA folder inside the applications part. So if you remember where your folder was, PS Vita, the backups, mine again was in documents. We're gonna go to documents and it's gonna be right here, PS Vita, inside the app folder. So I'm just gonna copy this again. Inside the app folder, inside your 16-digit account ID, you're gonna wanna paste that directory, the PCSG 996, all right? As you can see, I'm in Documents, PS Vita app, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste that directory here. So now that it's pasted here, we can launch QCMA again through the content manager. Mine disconnected from the QCMA, but now hopefully it's connected again. So it says connect to PC, but I'll just hit PC and USB, and it hopefully will connect again. PC to PS Vita system. You gotta refresh the database. Now, go to PS Vita, you can see the H-Encore. So you want to make sure that this is 243 megabytes. If it's not, you did it wrong. Or if you get some type of error, you didn't do it right. Rewind this fucking video and do it exactly as I did it. Alright? So this is the only way you could do this. So you want to hit copy and hit OK. Give it a few seconds. So I guess basically what this did was inject this H-Encore, like the hack or homebrew Encore code, into the original game or demo that we used, which was the Bitter Smile demo. So it injects the H-Encore code into that demo, and we kind of encrypted it so that it could be used with your user ID, your key, and on your system. So now anytime you want to use the hack, you just launch the H-Encore bubble, and then from there we can download Vita Shell and you can install HENkaku through that exploit. Much props to TheFlow for this hack, because this is very ingenious of him, and I don't know how he managed to do all of this. It's beyond the scope of my understanding, but man, he really did it. He did the damn thing, you know? It's pretty cool. Pretty cool to do this on 3.65, but you can also do this on 3.6, 7, and 8, which is the brand new firmwares. I believe we should be able to close out here, and you can see H-Encore right here. So we're just gonna launch this. It says you cannot earn trophies in this application. You still want to start the application. Hit yes. Of course you can't earn trophies. It's first of all, it's a weird demo, and here we go. So now we could do install HENkaku, download Vita Shell. So let's download Vita Shell. I believe I'm still connected to the internet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. It'll do it on its own. Even though I did download the VPK for it, I guess it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna install the Vita Shell, okay. Install HENkaku. Success. And that's it, exit. I think we're good to go. And here we are, Vita Shell. You have officially been hacked. Yep, there we are. You're gonna want to go to, hit select, hit feature requires extended permissions. Please activate enable unsafe homebrew first. Oh well, we got to do that in the official settings. So go to start, and you're gonna see HENkaku settings. Enable unsafe homebrew. Enable version spoofing. If you want to do 368, there you go, you're already good. Button behavior, 0 is cancel, all this other shit. And then that's it. You're pretty much all good, man. Launch Vita Shell again. And here we are. I'm gonna hit select. Look at that. We're now FTPing into my computer. There it is, removable disk. You can open up and see your whole PS Vita shit here. This is all your shit. You can add new VPKs, you can do whatever the fuck you want. If you want a tutorial on that, maybe I'll do that some other day. Not right now though. Cancel, unmount the thing. But from here, you could do whatever the fuck you want with the normal HENkaku. You're all good. If you were to, if you reset your system, you're just gonna have to do this H-Encore shit all over again. Not a big deal. All you gotta do is click the damn button. Matter of fact, I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna power off the system. I'm gonna even disconnect it from the computer. Now I'm gonna turn the system on. So now we're not jailbroken or HENkaku'd, because if you try to open this, it'll give you an error, right? However, just like the offline enabler, just hit H-Encore. Yeah. It starts. Hit yes. It'll flash, do the thing, install HENkaku. Not a big deal. So if you don't have ENSO, not a big deal. You could still. This is the next best thing here. ENSO just starts up with HENkaku enabled. That's not that big of a fucking deal. You know what I'm saying? Well, anyways, hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. Thank you for watching, and peace out!